Okay, so how do we fix this problem? All right, we're back to our personal economic flow model here. And, if we're earning income, whether it's from our job or from investments, passive income through investments, and that money is flowing into our personal economy, how do we not pay tax on that money right away and transfer that wealth? Well, what we have to do is we have to close down this tax valve, all right? And we have to divert as much money as we can into our reserve capital account, which is just the insurance account itself, all right? Now, if you're a W-2 wage earner, the way you do that is very simple. You go to your HR director and you adjust your withholdings. You have them withhold as little money as you possibly can in taxes. And you pay your taxes at the end of the year, or in April actually, here in America. We pay our taxes in April. When you work with a good CPA, the CPA can go to work and show you how to reduce your tax liability, all right? That will lower your tax rate and lower the amount of taxable income that you show to the IRS, all right? That's one way of helping to transfer less of your wealth to Uncle Sam, all right? The other way is just in simply how you pay your taxes. All right. Now, what we do is if you can take a little bit of energy and effort and divert as much of your wealth into your reserve capital account as you can, then what you'll find is that you'll start accumulating a ton of cash, and all of that wealth, all of that cash will start earning those dividend rates. Right now, it's anywhere from 6 to 8% generally tax-free growth on that money. All right. Now, what do you do when you have to pay Uncle Sam the tax bill? Well, what we do is we simply just collateralize that account, borrow out what you need for taxes, and then use the borrowed funds to pay the tax bill, to pay Uncle Sam. Okay? So all you're doing is using borrowed money to pay the tax bill, and the net effect of it is that your wealth continues to earn uninterrupted compound growth. You never lose the compounding or interrupt the compounding of your wealth. Okay? Well, now you have this loan that's lien, that's against your account. What do you do with that? How do you pay that off eventually? Well, it's very simple. When new money comes into your personal economy, either through your job or through the sale of an asset or passive income or whatever, all you do is divert it back up into your reserve capital account. And you just call that, instead of adding it to your total balance and growing your account more, you max out what you can put in these accounts year over year. The rest of it, any extra cash, goes towards loan repayment. It just reduces the lien or eliminates the lien against this account, and your money is never interrupted. Okay? And then when you have bills to pay or you want to spend your money on something, whatever it is, you just simply repeat the process. You take out a loan against your account for however much you need, and we usually recommend that people set themselves up on a quarterly budget or an annual budget, figure out what you need to spend for the year, save every penny that you can inside the reserve capital account so that you can earn uninterrupted compound growth, and then borrow against it, collateralize the account, to spend that money, all right? Spend that money to either buy a house, buy a car, pay for college, pay for the bills, whatever the case may be. And also to pay Uncle Sam the tax bill, okay? Now, what's nice about the borrowed funds is that when you use this money instead of your own cash, that money, because it's a loan and it's not considered ordinary passive or portfolio income, that money is all tax-free. So think about this in retirement. When you get to retirement age and you want to live on tax-free income instead of taxable money from your 401k, all you have to do is simply collateralize this account, borrow against it, and use the borrowed funds to spend in retirement, to go on vacation or to buy a new home or buy a car or whatever you want to do with it, and you get to use the money tax-free because it's a loan, it's not income. All right? That's how we work these accounts. All right, let's go on to the next key concept.